Flying after 60? Airlines are targeting you with hidden fees, and most travelers never see them coming. Picture this. You check in smoothly, settle into your seat, and assume your bags will glide to your destination without a hitch. But here's the ugly truth. Airlines have built an entire playbook of gotcha charges that quietly hit seniors the hardest. The average traveler over 60 now pays an extra $147 per trip compared to younger flyers, and most don't even realize it until it's too late. The airlines will never admit this, but I will. So stay tuned because we're about to uncover these hidden fees one by one, and trust me, the last one is the most expensive trap of all. Number 1. The senior discount vanishing trick. Most passengers don't realize that those celebrated senior discounts airlines advertise, they're deliberately hidden from online booking engines. Airlines like American and Delta still offer up to 30% off for seniors, but only through their phone reservation lines, never on their websites or apps. Why the secrecy? Phone-only deals let airlines control inventory and avoid undercutting their public web fares. When you book online, you're guaranteed to miss these savings. Here's your exact script. Call the airline directly and say, "I'm over 60. What unpublished senior fares do you have for my destination?" Try this Tuesday afternoons when inventory refreshes. Many reps have discretion to apply hidden discount codes if you're persistent but polite. Pro tip: ask to have your birth date and senior status permanently noted in your frequent flyer profile. This triggers automatic eligibility checks for every future booking. Think that's sneaky? Wait until you see how they ambush you at baggage check. Number 2. The medical equipment fee scam. Airlines prefer you don't know they're illegally charging seniors for essential medical equipment. CPAPs, oxygen concentrators, and mobility aids legally fly free under DOT regulations. But gate agents routinely try to impose $50 to $90 baggage fees anyway, banking on seniors not knowing their rights. This happens because undertrained staff follow outdated fee charts instead of federal law. They're hoping you'll pay rather than argue at a busy counter. Your magic phrase at check-in, "This is essential medical equipment under 14 CFR 382.41. It flies free of charge." If they resist, ask for a supervisor and say, "Please document your refusal to honor federal medical equipment regulations." Pro tip: bring a printed copy of the regulation on your phone. Most agents back down immediately when they see you know the exact legal code. Here's where most travelers get completely blindsided. Number 3. The seat assignment ransom. Here's what TSA won't tell you. Airlines now hold most aisle and window seats hostage for last-minute upsells, even if you book months ahead. Seniors needing easy bathroom access or comfort seats get squeezed into paying $45 to $75 per flight segment for basic accommodation. This works because airlines moved all desirable seats into preferred categories, leaving only dreaded middle seats for standard passengers. They're betting you'll crack and pay up. Walk up to any gate agent and say, "Due to my age and mobility needs, I require an aisle seat for medical accommodation. Can you assign one without additional fees?" Gate agents have override codes to avoid terminal confrontations. Pro tip: check seat maps 2 to 3 hours before departure. Premium seats often get released to avoid flying empty, and you can snag them free with the magic phrase above. But wait, this next trick gets you priority treatment most seniors never discover. Number 4. The pre-board goldmine. Most passengers assume you need major disability documentation to board early. Wrong. Airlines allow any senior citing mild mobility concerns, slower walking, balance issues, or heavy carry-ons to board in the priority group. They just never advertise this openly. Why the silence? Too many early boarders slow the process and eat into airline efficiency metrics. But you have an absolute right to request accommodation. Your winning approach: make eye contact with the gate agent and say confidently, "I'm a senior and need extra boarding time for safety. Please mark my ticket for pre-board." They'll wave you through with the wheelchair passengers 90% of the time. Pro tip: traveling with family? Say, We're boarding together as my care companion. Airlines rarely challenge companion boarding for adults requiring assistance. Now, here's the gotcha that hits seniors who aren't tech-savvy. Number 5. The check-in penalty trap. Airlines prefer you don't know about the brutal $65 airport check-in fee, now standard across budget carriers, and increasingly common on major airlines too. Seniors who struggle with apps or prefer paper tickets walk into this expensive ambush at every counter. This fee exists purely to force digital adoption and reduce airline staffing costs. They're banking on catching seniors off guard with no other option but to pay. Here's your defense. When booking any ticket, immediately ask, "Will I face fees for checking in at the airport instead of online?" If yes, have the agent walk you through mobile check-in step by step over the phone before your trip. Pro tip: print boarding passes at home or hotel business centers. Even if the app says mobile only, paper backup gets you through security and prevents surprise fees. If you're still with me, you're clearly serious about protecting your travel budget. Hit like and subscribe for more insider secrets, because the next few could save you hundreds on every trip. Number 6. The missed flight money grab. Missed a connection or running late. Airlines now impose rescue fees of $150 to $200 to reissue tickets, even when delays are their fault. Seniors facing tight connections or mobility challenges get hit hardest, and agents rarely mention your right to free rebooking under consumer protection rules. These outrageous fees exist because airlines profit more from penalties than customer satisfaction. They're hoping you'll panic and pay without questioning their policies. Your power move at customer service. I'm a senior traveler requesting service recovery accommodation under DOT passenger rights. Please process a no-fee rebooking due to the circumstances. Mention your age. It triggers different training protocols. Pro tip: always get the agent's name and written delay documentation. Escalate using, "Please note my senior status and assistance needs in your system." EU and US rules often mandate priority reaccommodation for seniors. Ready for the surprise that catches everyone at the gate? Number 7. The carry-on size sting. Did your bag fit last year? Doesn't matter. Carry-on dimensions shrunk again in 2025, and gate agents target seniors with $45 instant penalties for oversized bags that were perfectly legal months ago. Medical supplies and comfort items make seniors especially vulnerable. This scam works because enforcement happens at boarding when you have zero leverage or time to negotiate. Airlines count on passenger compliance under pressure. Beat them at check-in by asking, "Will my bag and essential medical items comply with current size limits?" If carrying medical equipment, declare it up front. These are medical necessities under ADA regulations. They don't count as carry-on items. Pro tip: if challenged at the gate, stay calm and say, "This contains medical necessities under federal accommodation law." Most gate staff immediately back down when they realize you know the regulations. Now, this secret about hidden senior perks will change everything. Number 8. The services they hide from you. Airlines and airports offer priority lanes, wheelchair assistance, and expedited security for seniors, but staff almost never mention these services unless directly asked. Why? These accommodations cost money and slow operations, so they hope you won't realize they exist. Most seniors over 75 qualify for TSA pre-check style treatment. Shoes on, light jackets on, expedited screening, regardless of membership status. But you have to speak up to access it. Your magic request at security. Are there senior priority lanes available today? I qualify for expedited screening due to my age. At the airport entrance, ask, "Can I access wheelchair assistance for priority boarding and baggage claim?" Pro tip: even if you don't need a wheelchair, requesting one guarantees shortest security lines, priority boarding, and first-off baggage claim assistance. This next money trap catches even savvy seniors off guard. Number 9. The membership verification penalty. Booked with a senior discount program like Air France's Senior Pass or United 65 Plus fares. Show up without proper verification and face a brutal $85 price adjustment penalty that can wipe out all your savings instantly. This trap exists because airlines profit when discount verification fails. They're hoping system glitches or forgotten documentation will let them collect full fares plus penalties. Your protection strategy: always bring printed confirmation plus photo ID. If systems fail, tell the counter agent, "I'm an enrolled senior member with valid proof. Please verify manually and honor the original fare without penalties." Pro tip: screenshot your membership details and discount confirmation. Save them in your phone's photos for instant offline access, even if apps crash or Wi-Fi fails. And finally, the last secret is the one airline executives pray you never discover. Number 10. The group booking goldmine. Traveling with fellow seniors for reunions, cruises, or tours. Airlines will never mention that senior group bookings unlock secret fare classes with 25 to 60% savings per ticket. These unpublished rates exist but require insider knowledge to access. Airlines hide group discounts because they slash profit margins dramatically. They'd rather sell individual tickets at full price than reveal bulk senior pricing. Your winning approach: we're a group of 8+ senior travelers. What unpublished group rates or senior block discounts do you offer? Ask for flexible midweek dates for maximum savings. Always have one person handle all bookings to maintain group eligibility. Pro tip: compare group offers against flash sales. Sometimes public promotions beat group rates if you're flexible with timing. But group bookings often include free changes and upgrades individual tickets don't offer. So, which hidden fee are you blocking first, and what's your best senior travel hack the airlines hate? Drop your secrets in the comments and help every Passport Pro traveler fly like an insider. Want more ammunition against airline tricks? Check out our TSA pre-check secrets and upgrade strategies video right here. Hit like if this saves you money, share it with every traveler you know, and subscribe to join thousands of smart flyers who refuse to get ripped off. Until next time, clear skies and protected wallets.